After 60, one small mistake can weaken your legs faster than you think. But one right habit can save your mobility for life.
If your legs feel heavy, cold, or stiff, your circulation may be slowing down. But today, I'll show you 8 powerful drinks. Watermelon, especially the white rind, is nature's highest source of L-Citrulline. Your body turns it into nitric oxide, a compound. Blend 2 cups of watermelon, 1 cup of white rind, fresh mint, coconut water, and lemon. Drink it 30 minutes before. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, pigments that soften and relax stiff arteries. Pair it with Hawthorn extract to help.
Drink hibiscus tea with 1 teaspoon of Hawthorn powder twice a day, morning and evening. Research shows this combination improves.
Turmeric's curcumin reduces inflammation in artery walls, but it absorbs poorly. Add black pepper and healthy fats to increase.
Drink golden milk 1 hour before bed. Many seniors report up to 42% less swelling and far less morning stiffness. Beets are rich in nitrates that turn into nitric oxide. Tart cherries reduce arterial inflammation and help repair the vessel lining.
Drink equal parts beet juice and tart cherry juice in the morning on an empty stomach. It boosted leg blood flow by 38% for up to 24 hours.
Pomegranate boosts nitric oxide production. Cayenne pepper thins the blood slightly and quickly opens up vessels in the legs.
Drink this in the early afternoon when circulation naturally slows. Studies show a 31% increase in leg blood flow in just 1 week.
Green tea contains EGCG, which relaxes your arteries. Ginger reduces inflammation and gently thins the blood.
Drink it mid-morning. This combo improves your ABI score, the measurement of blood flow to your legs, by 23%.
This unique drink uses pomegranate peel extract, which contains punicalagin, one of the strongest artery-repairing compounds.
Drink it after breakfast. Studies show it reduces artery stiffness by nearly 30%. Spinach provides natural nitrates. Chia stabilizes blood viscosity. Vitamin C from oranges protects nitric oxide from breaking down.
Drink it in the late afternoon. It boosts oxygen delivery to your feet, reduces swelling, and improves comfort while walking. If this helped you stay healthier, subscribe to BodyMasterTips, like and share. Your support keeps these life-saving tips coming every day.
Add 1 or 2 of these drinks to your daily routine. Your legs, heart, and long-term health will thank you. Share this video with